Welcome to Penny's STEAM Lab.
Hi guys, welcome back to Penny's STEAM Lab. Today we're going to be talking about, absorption. Absorption is something that takes in another substance. It then spreads throughout the new material. Want to see something cool? Watch this. See how the paper towel absorbed the water? Let me show you how. Here's what you're going to need for this experiment. A permanent marker, some markers, a paper towel, a plate, or a tray filled with water. First step, you're going to fold your paper towel. Next, you're going to take your permanent marker and draw a smiley face. One big smile and two eyes. Then you'll see it kind of made a print. If it doesn't make a print where you can do it, draw on it again. Don't draw it too hard or else the permanent marker will make a hole through the paper towel. Make little watermelon seeds and cross one. Next, you're going to make one line out like a Y, then a U, then a lowercase m. Then you're going to color in your watermelon. Make sure that for this part you use washable markers. Next, put the darkest green you have, that we're using, and go on the line. Next, put a lighter green on the dark green line. Then, first put the light pink on the watermelon. Don't do all of it because there's going to be another pink on top of it. There. Next, you're going to fold your paper towel in half like it was. And now let's do it. Let's try some examples that my mom made. I love this one. It's great for learning. And this last one I know will turn out really pretty. That's it for today.
Here we go.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! And then you're gonna fold your paper towel. Fold your paper. Paper.